Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change BFF emoji on Snapchat. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app. Then just go ahead and click on your Bitmoji or your profile at the upper left corner of your screen. Now click on the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Now you just want to scroll down until you see the friend emojis. So just go ahead and click on that. And then now, as you can see, the BFF emoji is this one, okay, with the 3 hearts. So just go ahead and click on that and then choose any emojis that you want to change. So I'm just gonna choose this heart emoji. And now when you go back by clicking the arrow at the upper left corner of your screen, let me just do it again. As you can see, the emoji is changed, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.